Okay, let's just dive right into this explainer. If you've been searching for a literal masterclass in rapid creator growth using a completely free AI workflow, well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down a strategy that honestly feels like a cheat code for modern content creation. We're not going to get bogged down in boring theory here. Nope, we are going straight to a practical, step-by-step blueprint based on a wildly successful emerging trend. So consider this your ultimate creator's guide to growth, as we deconstruct how to unleash the power of a brand new AI niche from start to finish. Let's get into it.
3,000. I want to immediately hook you with this number, because this isn't some made-up hypothetical target. There's an Instagram page using the exact strategy we're about to cover, and they literally just started posting and rapidly blew past 3,000 followers right out of the gate. You know as well as I do, getting that kind of immediate traction from a complete standstill in today's creator economy, it's incredibly rare. It absolutely demands our attention to figure out exactly what they're doing to capture an audience so effectively and so quickly.
And honestly, here's the bizarrely simple answer. What are they posting to get that rapid growth? Tiny wooden car making videos. Yep, that's it. That is the entire strategy. The sheer simplicity of it creates this instant, wait, what? Reaction. We always kind of think you need this massive, complex, high-production content to go viral, right? But this page, they're winning by leaning into an incredibly specific, oddly satisfying, and completely unsaturated niche.
Section 1. The new viral niche. Finding that first mover advantage. The absolutely crucial point here is that this space is currently completely unsaturated. The ultimate growth hack in literally any content creation endeavor is finding that open space before the crowd arrives. If you jump in right now, you aren't just early to the party, you're the person setting up the speakers before the party even starts. And you know what the most mind-blowing detail is? $0 spent. We're going to walk through exactly how to produce these high-quality videos without spending a single cent. It's a pure first-mover advantage opportunity with zero financial barrier to entry.
Section 2. Generating the master prompt. Fueling your content.
So, to start reverse engineering this success, we have to get the raw ideas that'll actually fuel our content engine. To build out this automated content empire, we're going to rely on two distinct, completely free tools. Think of it like this, okay? ClaudeAI is the brain. It's our idea engine. It's where all the logic, the creativity, and the planning happen. On the flip side, we have googleflowai, which is the brawn. This is our generation studio, where those ideas are physically forged into actual visual and video assets. Keeping these two roles distinct in your head is going to make this entire workflow incredibly smooth.
Okay, let's dive into using our brain, ClaudeAI. The process is amazingly straightforward. Step 1, you just open up ClaudeAI. Step 2, you paste in your master prompt, which is a prompt specifically designed to generate viral car concepts. Step 3, hit generate. You give it just a few seconds, and Claude will instantly spit out 10 fresh, unique car ideas for you to pick from. You just look through them, choose whichever one speaks to you, and hey, if none of them hit the mark, just type the word more, and it'll hand you a completely fresh batch of 10 instantly. It's that easy.
Now, once you pick your idea, let's say you go with idea number 1, Claude doesn't just give you a title. It hands you the complete keys to the vehicle. It provides a highly detailed starting frame image prompt, an ending frame image prompt, and the full, comprehensive video prompt. So the heavy lifting, the creative ideation, it's completely done for you, all for free.
Section 3. Creating the keyframes, from text to visuals. Now that we have our blueprints from the brain, we transition into the studio phase. This is where we take those text prompts and turn them into high-quality visual assets using the brawn of our operation. Here's exactly how we execute this in googleflowai. First, you switch FlowAI into image generation mode and select your desired aspect ratio and how many outputs you want. Next, and this is specific for this workflow, select the Nano Banana Pro image model. Then, hop back over to Claude, copy that first starting frame image prompt, and paste it right in. Finally, hit send. Just watch it work its magic. It analyzes the prompt, and a few seconds later, boom, you have a beautiful, clean starting image ready to go. To ensure consistency and actually get your ending frame, you just go back to Claude and grab the ending frame prompt. Return to FlowAI, but this time, take the starting image you just created and drag and drop it into FlowAI to use as a reference. Then, paste your ending prompt and hit generate. Because you're using the start frame as a reference, your final frame image is going to perfectly match the aesthetic of the first one. It's super seamless.
Section 4. Animating the final video, bringing it to life. This is undoubtedly the most exciting part of this entire explainer. We have our start frame, we have our end frame, and now it's time to actually bring this tiny wooden car to life. For the final assembly, we head back to Claude one last time to copy our full video prompt. Over in googleflowai, we're going to switch from image mode over to video generation mode. Simply select the OmniFlash video model. Next, drop in both your starting and ending frame images that you just generated. Finally, paste that video prompt and hit generate. The AI merges everything together, creating this fluid animation transitioning from your start frame to your end frame. And honestly, the results usually come out looking even better than you might expect.
But let's just pause for a second, because we really want to give you the complete, unvarnished guide here. What happens if you hit a roadblock? Just a quick heads up, sometimes when you're using both a start and an end frame together, the OmniFlash model might throw an error. If you see an error pop up on your screen, don't panic. There is an incredibly easy fix for this.
The solution is super straightforward. If OmniFlash gives you trouble, simply look at the model selection and switch to either the Veo 3.1 Fast or Veo 3.1 Lite model instead. Think of this as your ultimate insider backup solution. You just switch the model, hit generate again, and it will run incredibly smooth. The generation process continues without a hitch, and just like that, your final viral video is done.
Section 5. The Creator Growth Blueprint, a highly repeatable plan. Let's zoom out for a second now. We've walked through the micro steps, but it is absolutely vital to understand why this specific sequence is so incredibly powerful. This isn't just about how to make a cool video of a wooden car. This exact workflow is a highly repeatable blueprint for explosive creator growth. The true power here is really threefold. First, it's a completely free workflow from start to finish. Second, it is 100% repeatable. I mean, once you do it once, you can do it 100 times a day. But the third point? That is where the real scale happens. It's adaptable to endless variations and endless niches. You can use this exact brain and brawn setup, Claude and Flow AI, to create unlimited content. The very second a new AI niche drops, you already have the factory built to capitalize on it immediately.
And this brings us to a final, absolutely crucial thought. You want to be early, not the guy who shows up after everyone else already figured it out. These opportunities, like the wooden car niche right now, they do not stay unsaturated for long. Speed of execution is literally your greatest asset. So knowing that you now possess a completely free, infinitely repeatable content generation machine, what unsaturated niche are you going to dominate first, before the rest of the world even notices it exists?